Hey, are you seeking for a strategy to make money effortlessly during the pandemic? Are you? Well, here's a video for you. The websites I'm going to introduce today are available from anywhere in the world, including Europe, Asia, America, and Africa. You can earn money simply by uploading photos. Don't worry, you won't need a camera or any skills or experience to get paid using this method. You can earn money without lifting a finger. Keep an eye out for updates and learn everything you can so you can start making money right now. So the first website I'm going to show you today is shutterstock.com. This is the website that will pay us today. Shutterstock is a website with literally thousands upon thousands of royalty-free images. That is, once downloaded, you are free to utilize them whatever you see fit. And the reason so many people use Shutterstock is simply that it is significantly less expensive to pay Shutterstock a monthly fee and download photographs taken by professional photographers than it is to buy a camera and try to take them yourself, or to hire a photographer. This is why Shutterstock is so popular. It's simply a cheaper and easier choice for finding great-looking photographs. Some of the world's largest companies now have homepages. Among the companies represented are Google, AMC, BuzzFeed, Marvel, and so on. As a result, it is without a doubt a legitimate website. As I previously said, this site will pay us, which means we must upload images to this site. But here's the best part. You don't need a camera or any special skills to do this, because I know that the majority of you watching this don't have a camera, let alone photography abilities or expertise. I'll state right away that you won't need them. One of the things that makes Shutterstock so fantastic for making money online is that you'll effectively be making money passively. When someone downloads your photo, you are paid a specific amount of money. Furthermore, because your images will remain on this site forever, you will be able to earn money through pure passive revenue. You only need to upload the photographs here, leave them alone, and your task is finished. Furthermore, the fact that Shutterstock is so popular makes it even better for making money through image posting. You may check accurate information on how much traffic any website received in the preceding few months by using a site called similarweb.com. Shutterstock says that the numbers are increasing, regardless of whether they are increasing or dropping. As you can see, over 75 million visitors visited Shutterstock in the previous month, representing a 1% growth over the previous month. At that time, just 74.8 million individuals visited the site. So, not only are millions of people visiting Shutterstock, implying that you have a wonderful possibility to make a lot of money, but the numbers have recently climbed. So now is a fantastic moment to start making money with it. Before we go any further, if you enjoyed the video so far, I'll give you time to go on and subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. And if you found this tutorial interesting and useful, leave a comment down below because we'd love to know your thoughts. Now it's time to go back to work. Anyway, back to Shutterstock. I'd like to demonstrate exactly what you need to do when you first arrive. Scroll all the way to the bottom and then click on Sell Your Content, which is immediately before the For Contributor area. This will take you right here. And I'd like to show you a few things on this page. To begin, you may see how this works in further detail. Photographers, in short, take photographs and then upload them to Shutterstock. And they will profit whenever one of your global clients downloads their work. As I previously indicated, the more downloads your photo obtains, the more money you will earn. And because this site has so much traffic, you're nearly assured to be highly compensated. Finally, as you can see on this website, you can refer others to earn extra money. And as I'll explain later, this site is ideal for affiliate marketing. But for the time being, the final thing I'd like to show you is something you saw in the introduction. By clicking on See Global Earnings, you can see that this site is available all around the world. I've had a lot of comments from people who want sites that are available in the majority of nations, and Shutterstock is certainly one of them. It makes no difference if you're from Africa, Asia, or anywhere else. This site will function in your country and you will be able to profit from it. In any case, to begin working for Shutterstock, simply return here, scroll up, and click Get Started, Then provide your basic information. Create an account, and you're good to go. After that, please allow me to show you the website where you can obtain the mentioned photographs. You should go to idplr.com. This is a website where you can find not only photographs, but also a wide range of other products. You may also see which products are which by hovering your cursor over the products. There are ebooks, software, videos, templates, graphics, and music to choose from. You'll want to click on with Resell Rights, which is placed right below the graphics section. Because we're seeking for images, this will lead you here. As you can see, it states Resell Rights, which indicates we have complete rights to monetize these images. And one thing I really appreciate about this site, and I think you will too, is that the photos are all sorted into packages. As a result, you won't have to waste time downloading each one individually. Simply download one of these packages, which contain hundreds to thousands of photographs. Here's an example of one that I've opened. If you scroll down, you'll notice Can Be Sold to You. Yes, which means you can sell it and profit. It's also important to note that you have some limitations. Remember that you cannot modify the product, and read all of this before downloading the photos. In any case, simply click the download button right here to get it. However, in order to do so, you must first create an account. So click here and get started right away. After that, you should download all of the packages available here. Then simply go back to Shutterstock and submit all of the new photographs you've received. And because there will be so many of them, you will be able to earn a lot more money as passive income. Thousands of photographs are here. Now, I'll share an extra strategy with you to help you earn even more money through passive income. How? Well, through the referral scheme, which, if you recall, I mentioned a while ago. To become an affiliate, simply scroll down to the bottom and click on Affiliate under the Partner area. And check this out. Join the Shutterstock affiliate program and earn up to $300 per new customer purchase. So, a single person you're referring to potentially earns you up to $300? That's insane! Shutterstock is one of the highest paying affiliate marketing sites today. As a result, promoting it as an affiliate on numerous social media networks, such as Facebook, is definitely worthwhile. Of course, you are not required to do so, but it is a good idea in my opinion because the money will start to build up if you include the affiliate. That's all there is to it. All of the sites I've mentioned can now provide you with passive income. Don't waste time on your phone, instead go to the sites I've introduced right now. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you made it this far. For more content like this, go on and check out my other videos. Subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click the notification bell